Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 10A, and today I will show you how you can reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up obviously settings. From here navigate to about phone, and at the bottom you'll find factory reset option. Click on it. This kind of gives you a list of things that it will remove, like accounts. Even though it doesn't really remove them, it just signs out of them. Contacts, photos, videos, apps, backups, SD card data. SD card data doesn't include data on the SD card, which is something that you might want to be aware of. It just will remove like maybe some just leftover data that is kept on the phone about the SD card, and then other items on the device. So anyway, if you want to keep anything that is on your phone, maybe music, photos, stuff like that, I can select erase all data, which is counterintuitive, and this will bring up the option backup. So you can back it up right now if you want to. But if you don't want to, or you have already done so, you can select factory reset. This will waste 20 seconds of our life, so 10 seconds right here and 10 on the next one, just so we are fully aware that this removes the earlier listed things. Like, how many times can you force me to be aware of this? So once the countdown is done, you can press on OK, and this will begin factory resetting the device. Now this entire process will probably take about like 3 minutes to finish up. So just be patient. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.